everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So by the title of today's video, you can guess it is my Christmas tree decorate with me. So I filmed a video like this last year and I really loved it. So this year I'm doing the same. For my Christmas tree theme, I went with a candy cane theme, red, white, and I have a pop of gold in there as well. I actually reused all my Christmas decorations from last year. I got them all at Target, and then this year I just added a few more things that I bought at the 99-cent store. I decorated my tree a week before Thanksgiving. I wanted to do my Christmas tree decorate with me. I'm going to be doing a separate video on decorating my bedroom and then my living room. So this video is just gonna focus on decorating my Christmas tree. I will link my Christmas tree video I did last year if you want to see it. So now grab yourself a warm beverage, cuddle up, and let's see how I decorated my Christmas tree this year. Here are the Christmas pajamas I wore and the cute reindeer headband, which I'll link down below. But let's start off the video by taking off all the Halloween and fall decor. I'll link down below in the description the video I did where I put up these decorations if you'd like. So I'm just taking everything away except the sign. I'm leaving the sign up because I'm going to change what it says. I managed to keep everything in a box this year, so I'm just opening it up and taking out all the Christmas decorations. As I said, I reused all my decor from last year. So I'm taking out the Christmas balls, the stocking, and all my cute little ornaments and decorations. I didn't have tape last year when I put my tree away, so I did a very bad tape job, so I'm suffering this year trying to cut it open, but I do manage to. I take out all the parts of the Christmas tree, and I also stored some stuff in there as well. Now I'm just applying the feet to the Christmas tree so it can stand tall. It took me quite some time to do it, but I managed to pop them all on. When I say it took me an hour to fluff this tree, it took me an hour. I sat there opening each branch and trying to fluff it up so it has no gaps in it, and I thought by actually fluffing it out and trying to get it as open as possible, since it's been in a box all year, I had extra room this year and the time to fluff it out, so I just sat on the floor listening to Christmas music while I got the branches to open up and just separating it from each other. And this pretty much took me a long time, so I guess once this voiceover is over, I'm going to stop showing you this footage. Moving on to the second layer, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm just fluffing it out and making sure there's no gaps in it. So that's pretty much all I did, is fluff and branch and fluff and branch and turn it around and then fluff that side. So I do a whole 360. Now I'm standing up and fluffing the middle layer, making sure it's all nice and fluffed out. Lastly, I added the first layer of the tree and I plug it in because this tree is pre-lit, which is nice. I don't have to mess with all the wires and stuff. It's just on there. So that's what I'm doing as well. I forgot. I'm pulling the wire so it doesn't stretch itself, and then fluffing out the branches as well so they're all nice and neat. My tree isn't the fullest, so I spent the hours just trying to fluff it up, but since it's not a really expensive tree, I understand why it has gaps and everything. I put the tree skirt on. I really love mine. I just bought this on a whim last year at Marshall's for like $15. It really doesn't match the theme. I kind of want to get a candy cane one this year, but for now I'm happy with it, and it's just a white tree skirt with gold and silver Christmas tree beads. It's really pretty, and it took a while to button it up. Now we're finally moving on to actually decorating the tree. So I'm starting out with the ribbon. Honestly, I don't know how to decorate a Christmas tree. I just wing it. So I'm just putting this red ribbon that I got at the 99-cent store and just looping it around the tree in just no particular way. I'm just putting it on there, trying my best to make sure it looks good, and just tucking it in. The first ribbon I used was a red velvet material, and now the second one that I used was a red glittery sparkly one. I like how this second roll kept kept its shape. So when I wrapped it around the tree, it still had that like curled effect from being wrapped up in its container. So it looked cute, though. I just left it like that. I think it needs one more roll of ribbon. Now I'm moving on to these Christmas ornaments. So I got a 50 pack. So it's quite a lot for a 6-foot tree. So I just made sure to space them out. I really didn't have no rhyme or reason when I did it. I just tried to get, if I did red here, I would do gold on the other side, and I would just mix and match them until it went down. And then I had to hook those like ornament hooks on it one by one, so that's what I was doing. And then I would put it on the tree. I wouldn't just put the ornament hooks and then put all of them on the tree. I had to suffer and put it one at a time. So this is what you're seeing, just me going back and forth trying to put all the colors, make sure that I don't put two golds of the same finish on it. So some of them are shiny, some of them are matte, some of them are glitter. So I tried to space it out as best as I could, and I'm just going back and forth trying to put the Christmas ornament balls on. This year I think I'm not gonna do many special ornaments. I'm just gonna do the bubbles, I think that's what you call them. So I'm just focusing on that because there's 50 of them and I wanted to put it all over the tree. But I do have a few big special ornaments. I don't really have the ones that I grew up with anymore, so it's sad that I can't put any like traditional ornaments on there that you had since you were a kid. I remember our tree used to have pretty ornaments like that, but now it's just like a decor tree. It's not a sentimental tree. Maybe if I have a family in the future, I'll change up my decorating style, but for now I just want it to look pretty. I put in a lot of effort to put the ornaments on. I really like them, and they're also shatterproof as well. I threw one on the ground by accident and it didn't break, so that was nice. So if you had kids, it wouldn't break if it accidentally fell off the tree, so that's nice and stuff. This is a very long and tedious process, but I did it. I used all the ornaments up, all 50 of them. I managed to put it all around the tree. Maybe next year I won't take the hooks off because it was the most tedious part, is putting the ornament hooks and then putting it on the tree. I had to stop every once in a while to see if everything was even and all the colors weren't next to each other, so that's why I had to stop and look at it as a whole, because that helps you see on the design process, I guess. But I'm still going, putting it all around the tree one by one. I put the ornaments on, and it's pretty much, that's it for this whole thing. Maybe next year I'll get a different color scheme, but I do love these Target ornaments. They're very worth it. Get them on sale when it's on Black Friday because they're like half off. I forgot how much these were, but they're pretty affordable during the Black Friday sale, because this is where I got all my ornaments and Christmas decorations last year. One by one, we're slowly getting there. I end up taking out the rest of the ornaments and then putting it on the mantelpiece and then doing it that way. I don't have to reach in. I got glitter everywhere, and I probably will have glitter everywhere. And we're nearing the end of me putting the ornaments on, and now I can move on to the next decoration. My Christmas tree isn't complete without me adding bows to it. So I bought these bows last year at Target. They are just a glittery metallic gold, and I'm just twist tying them everywhere around the tree. I think there's about 12 of them, so I'm just scattering it around just like I did with the ornaments. And I really love bows. I love putting them in my hair, so of course I had to put them in my Christmas tree. Holiday bows are one of my favorite decorations, and I can't have enough of them. Next, I bought some plastic candy canes because I learned my lesson and the ones from last year melted, so I bought these at the 99-cent store, and I'm just scattering the candy canes all around the tree. Then I'm taking these glittery candy cane picks that you just stick in the tree. I focused mine on the top. I might buy some more because I really like these decorations, and you just stick them in and put them wherever you want them, and they just look so cute. So I'm definitely going to buy more. After that, I added this gold beaded garland, so I just wrapped it around the bottom of the tree where there wasn't any ribbon. For now, I'm just putting my advent calendars on display. The last step is the star, so I'm gonna put it on the top of the tree, and I love having stars. Last year it was a bow, this year it's a star, and voila, the star is on the tree. Then just moving some furniture around to get the placement that I like, and there you have it. I'm turning on the light of my Christmas tree of 2019. Yay! And that is it for my Christmas tree decorate with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll link everything down below that I can. I hope you enjoyed my Christmas tree decorate with me. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!